Alright guys, so this is not conventional, but we had to fire this thing up to try to find out where this noise was coming from. The belt's not on the front. Put some rags down to try to stop the mess, but we definitely have that noise as something related with a lifter. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so just to summarize that little quick video, yeah, we made a mess. We did our best to put down rags. That's the noise that we were hearing earlier. It didn't really come out really quickly in the first startup, but that's the second time we had started this vehicle. Everything's off the front of the motor. There's no noise coming from the back where the one person who suggested it was in the transmission. We did try to verify if it was any transmission noise, but it's exactly in sync with the lifters. But there is no play. We can't see any of them that are, you know, not pumped up. So we definitely think it's going to be a lifter problem.